Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for an in-depth exploration of the latest sensation in the world of audio, the Beats Studio Pro. As the direct successors to the iconic Beats Studio 3 Wireless, these over-ear noise-canceling headphones promise an audio experience like no other. Today, we'll unravel all you need to know about these cutting-edge headphones and even provide you with reasons why you might want to hold off before making your decision. Quick charging, improved active noise cancellation, and boosted battery life, the Studio Pro has it all. Plus, we'll reveal the features that set it apart from the competition, like the USB-C port and 3.5mm jack, which were notably absent on Apple's similarly spec'd AirPods Max. So, if you're eager to dive into the world of high-quality sound, don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy this content. Without further ado, let's jump right into it and discover what makes the Beats Studio Pro a true audio powerhouse. Price and release date. These over-ear headphones were announced on the 19th of July, 2023 and hit the market on the 20th of July, 2023, available at major retailers and Apple's website. Priced at $349, they may seem a bit expensive considering the package includes the headphones, a soft carrying case, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Comparing the price to the Beats Studio 3 Wireless released 6 years ago, it's essential to acknowledge the competitive landscape. At this price point, the Studio Pro faces tough rivals like the Sony Delu H1000XN5. While the Studio Pro may not match some competitors in noise cancellation and audio reproduction, they do boast improvements over the Studio 3 Wireless, including better active noise cancellation and extended battery life. The addition of a USB-C port and 3.5mm jack also enhances convenience. Design. These headphones boast a sleek design that fits most head shapes effortlessly, ensuring a stylish look no matter where you wear them. However, the industrial design is a bit underwhelming, with the majority of the headphones made from plastic, giving them a lightweight feel, but not the most premium in hand. The ear cups are connected to the band with small bits of plastic, raising durability concerns. Inside, Beats uses a custom 40mm speaker driver with a 2-layer diaphragm, providing a 25% increase in neodymium magnets for deeper bass and improved call quality. Two design aspects raise concerns: no IPX rating, leaving the headphones vulnerable to sweat, and non-detachable ear pads, limiting customization and replacement options. Despite some flaws, the Beats Studio Pro's stunning appearance and sound experience still make them an appealing choice for style-conscious users. Comfort. Let's delve into the comfort aspect of the Beats Studio Pro headphones. The all-plastic design has a significant advantage. They are incredibly lightweight and rest comfortably on your head. The ear cups bear the weight, while the top band feels pleasant on your head. Moreover, the cushioning has been improved, making them softer and more pliable compared to previous generations. In short listening bursts, you'll find the headphones to be very comfortable. However, there's a catch. If you plan on extended use, say beyond 45 minutes to an hour, you might encounter some unintended consequences due to the new material. Unlike the AirPods Max, the Beats Studio Pro's material isn't very breathable, leading to faster heat buildup and retention while listening. After about half an hour, you'll likely feel the heat in the inner foam, right where your ears rest inside the ear cups. For those who have struggled to find over-ear headphones they can wear for hours without discomfort, the Beats Studio Pro might not completely address those concerns. As with any product, there are positives and negatives to consider when it comes to comfort, and your preference will play a crucial role in determining if these headphones suit your needs. Controls. The Beats Studio Pro headphones offer impressive functionality. The side pad allows easy playback control with a large B button for music and volume adjustments above or below it. The multifunction button handles power, EQ modes, battery check, and pairing. You have 3 connection options: a 3.5mm jack, a USB-C port for better sound quality and customizable profiles, or built-in Bluetooth. Beats remain compatible with Android and iOS devices, offering features like Hey Siri on iOS and multi-point pairing on Android and Chromebook devices. This platform-agnostic approach is commendable and enhances the overall user experience. Sound quality. Let's explore the sound of the Beats Studio Pro headphones. They bring back Beats' signature bass-heavy thump, reminiscent of their iconic style from years ago. While songs like Flowers by Miley Cyrus impress with powerful bass, there's a trade-off: mid-range details suffer. This loss of clarity in the mid-range feels disappointing. In the upper trebles, there's noticeable sibilance, leading to sharp tones at higher volumes. For instance, in Three Little Birds by Bob Marley, the cymbals become uncomfortably piercing after a short while. Songs from Amazon Music and Spotify lack depth, resulting in a narrow sound with limited instrument separation. While open-back headphone levels of depth weren't expected, the Studio Pro's soundstage leaves room for improvement. Returning to Macklemore's album Gemini, the bass is impressive with juicy sub-bass frequencies that can be felt. However, Macklemore's vocals sound overly sharp and nasally, making some tracks less enjoyable. Spatial audio tracks and using the USB-C connection slightly improve the experience. September by Earth, Wind and Fire, and Dolby Atmos on Apple Music elevate the trumpet arpeggios, creating a more immersive and lively feel with the added head tracking feature. Battery life. Let's dive into the battery life of the Beats Studio Pro headphones. With ANC turned off, expect around 40 hours of playtime. With ANC on, it's approximately 24 hours. The Studio Pro offers quick charging. Just 10 minutes on the charger gives you up to 4 hours of playback. Overall, the battery life is commendable, providing ample hours of use. However, keep in mind that actual performance may fluctuate depending on usage and volume levels. And that's a wrap on today's video, covering all you need to know about the Beats Studio Pro. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way in the next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.